Hello everyone, this is Teacher Jeb and welcome to my channel. Kung isa kang Filipino aspiring teacher na gustong magtrabaho abroad, especially sa Thailand, then this video is for you. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan naman natin ang differences ng teaching sa Philippines at dito sa Thailand. Bilang nakapag 7 years public school teaching experience naman tayo sa Pilipinas and 8 months dito sa Thailand, so this is my personal experience nga gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Unahin na natin ang pinaka-common na tanong, salary. In the Philippines, especially sa public school, may fixed salary grade system. May security, may benefits, may yearly increase kapag na-promote ka. Sa Thailand naman, ang usual salary ng foreign teachers ranges to 20,000 to 30,000 Thai baht per month. Yes po, tama po yung narinig mo. And this is realistic kasi ito talaga yung mga natatanggap namin dito. About 37 to 56,000 pesos, depende na po sa rate. I know that some online platforms or even si ChatGPT would tell you that about 30,000 to 40,000 Thai baht yung range ng salary sa public school. But hey, that's the reality. Yan yung experience namin dito, about 20 to 30,000 lang talaga. Swerte ka na kung makaabot ng 30,000 Thai baht yung per month mo dito. Pero pag international school naman yung napasukan mo, jackpot ka kasi mataas talaga dyan, about 70 to 100,000 pesos. Yun nga lang, medyo pahirapan makapasok dyan kasi dapat may master's degree ka talaga or even doctorate pa. Thankful and blessed naman tayo kasi nasa 30,000 Thai baht yung rate natin dito per month, about 56,000 pesos, which is napakalayo sa Teacher 1 sahod ko sa Pilipinas. That is the reason why nag-risk talaga tayo dito. Hindi man ganun kataas yung sahod like sa US or any other countries, but one thing is for sure, mas tumaas yung sahod ko compared sa Pilipinas, and plus factor pa kasi legit po na napakamura ng cost of living dito, nakakapag-save naman tayo talaga. Mas malapit lang din sa Pilipinas kasi nga Asian country, kung may mga plans kang umuwi ng Pinas for vacation, makakapag-book naman tayo ng cheaper flights. Now, let's talk about workload. Sa Pilipinas, alam natin yan. Maraming paperworks, large class sizes, reports, extra activities, meetings, community involvement. Super hands-on ang Filipino teachers, talagang all around. Sa Thailand naman, usually as a foreign teacher, ang main focus mo lang is teaching your subject, especially English. Mas less ang paperwork compared sa typical experience sa Pilipinas. In terms of students and culture ng school, although maraming pasaway na estudyante sa Pilipinas, pero marami din naman talagang mababait at sweet. Siguro kasi medyo challenging ang classroom management sa Pilipinas gawa ng napakadaming estudyante sa iisang classroom. Umaabot ng 50 to 60 or even more. Sa Thailand naman, nasa 30 to 40 students lang talaga per class. Kaya napaka-manageable lang and generally polite and respectful talaga ang mga Thai students. Mataas yung tingin at respeto nila sa mga guro and even yung mga parents nila napaka-respectful sa mga teachers. Dumako naman tayo sa usapang benefits and security. Sa Philippines, especially public school, may GSIS, PhilHealth, 13th month pay, security of tenure, stable siya long term. Sa Thailand naman, depende sa school contract mo. Some schools provide work permit, visa assistance, health insurance, and paid holidays. But contract-based siya, usually 1 year renewable. So if stability ang priority mo, malaking factor ang Philippines. If experience and exposure ang hanap mo, Thailand can be a good stepping stone. In terms of lifestyle and growth naman, ito yung malaking difference. Sa Thailand, you will experience new culture, travel around Southeast Asia, meet teachers from different countries, build international experience. It builds independence. You grow emotionally and professionally. But in the Philippines, you are close to your family, you attend birthdays, reunions, you don't miss important occasions, may strong support system ka. And honestly, iba pa rin ang feeling kapag nasa sariling bansa ka. So ask yourself, do I want adventure and growth abroad? Or do I prefer stability and family closeness? Walang tama o mali, depende na yan sa'yo. Kung malaki nga lang yung sahod ko sa Pilipinas, I would really stay in the Philippines. Iba pa rin yung kasama mo yung pamilya mo. And you can hang out with your very close friends anytime na free kayo. Hindi madaling mag-work abroad. Homesickness is real, but at the same time, teaching abroad can boost your confidence. You will learn how to stand on your own and you can experience many first-time adventures. Kasi nga, may work and life balance dito and you may enjoy the teach and travel experience, explore new places, experience culture, and meet new people. So if you are an aspiring teacher, here's my advice. Gain experience first, improve your teaching skills, prepare your documents, and know your goals. Don't choose Thailand just because of money. Don't stay in the Philippines just because of fear. Choose based on your long-term plan. Remember, the Philippines produce strong, world-class teachers. Kaya nga in demand tayo abroad. Thailand is an opportunity. Philippines is a foundation. So that's the honest comparison of teaching in the Philippines and Thailand. So that's it. Kung may mga questions ka pa, feel free to ask and comment down below. At kung nakatulong sa'yo ang video na ito, baka pwede namang makisuyo ng isang like and subscribe ka na din para updated sa mga latest videos. You can also suggest kung ano yung mga topic na gusto mong gawan ko ng video. Thank you so much for watching!